entertain a few questions.
Sir, have you found out from him
8,000 troops in Basilan that we allow people to get out from there? They are allowed to get out of Basilan?
They did not get out actually.
Sir, can we ask him to say something about whether
elements of the ISAF Task Force Zamboanga under Colonel Llano. He was involved in the kidnapping of 5 historians in Tuburan, Basilan, and Patrick Biray, a bank employee in Hulo, together with Mujib Susukan and Gali Bandang. He was named to be responsible for the beheading of 2 school teachers identified as Nelson Enriquez and Dante Uban during the Tumahobong incident, and subject was also involved in the Dos Palmas and Ipil carnage sometime in 1995. Others will be coming later. It is indeed a very serious blow, considering that because they are feeling the heat in Basilan, most of them are finding their way. They are escaping, and they are going to the city of Zamboanga, purposely para magtago, para maiwasan yung pagsunod sa kanila, yung sunod-sunod na operations ng mga sundalo natin. Yung mga elements natin na nag-ooperate sa Basilan province.
Okay, last. Sir.